Midst of our very first Overdose Awareness Week. It's a week that is Baltimore's health commissioner on a kind of tour to train people how to reverse the deadly effects of an overdose and how to save lives. And one of her students today was our very own Deborah Weiner. Deborah, what did you learn in class?
Well, Kate, Dr. Lena Wen would like every citizen to be trained to use naloxone, also known as Narcan. Now, on our Sunday newscast, she offered to train me personally, joining 3,000 others in the city who have learned how to use this prescription medication to prevent a fatal overdose of opiates, including heroin and some pills. Dr. Lena Wen's day began early. First, training Baltimore City police officers how to use the prescription opioid antidote known as naloxone.
This is not just an abstract problem. It's something that affects all of us, but there is something that we can do today.
It is surprisingly easy.
Pull off red safety guard.
The injectable version speaks to you, instructing you how to shoot the antidote right into the muscle.
3, 2, 1. Injection complete.
No needle or medicine was actually used on Dr. Wen, but the nasal mist is the real thing. And she showed me how to do that too. But with either method, 911 is to be called after you first check the individual is actually unresponsive.
You inject half into one nostril and half into the other nostril.
When anti-drug advocate Mike Gimble, a former heroin addict himself, heard about my training, he contacted me, concerned that naloxone, without enough addiction treatment, sends the wrong message.
When they wake back up, if you don't get that addict into treatment immediately, there's at least a 90% chance they're going to use again, and overdose again, and again, and again.
With treatment wait times estimated at 4 days in the city, Dr. Wen acknowledges that is not acceptable.
We have to increase our treatment availability so that people at the time that they overdose, at the time that they're seeking treatment, they can get the treatment that they need. But that doesn't mean that in the meantime, we shouldn't save that person's life.
So a few things. First, if you have misdiagnosed someone and inject them or miss them, Dr. Wen says there is no ill side effect at all. Now, Dr. Wen wrote me a prescription with 12 refills, so I can carry the antidote around in my purse if I choose. And just because you think you don't know anyone who is abusing opioids, with nearly 19,000 people using heroin in the city, how do you really know that you don't know? Live in the studio, Deborah Weiner, WBAL, TV 11 News.
Good point, Deb. Thank you.